So what I thought we'd do was just walk out. We can start in the parking lot. We've got a lot of birds singing, and I just taught the ornithology course this past semester. The students in that course were responsible for any bird that we saw or heard on any of our outings. We ended up with over 130 species for the semester. The very first bird for their laboratory experience, the first day we went out at the beginning of the semester, was a mature bald eagle. We walked out the side of the building, and flying across right above us was a mature bald eagle. I can't promise that, but we'll go see what we can see. One of the things that's always been a challenge for students and also for me is to learn birds not only by sight, but also by their song. If I can actually see the bird singing, then something in my brain clicks that even when I hear that and I don't see the bird singing, I've remembered what that is. Here it comes right here. Notice if you've been around campus that we have bird boxes on trees all around campus, and that's something that my colleague Renee Goddard and I have done for over 10 years. If you notice, most of those boxes are in pairs and they're oriented in the same way, at the same height, and we've done a number of different choice experiments between those two boxes. If you have boxes that are exactly the same, on the same territory, oriented in the same way, and you have some sort of a treatment in one and nothing in the other, and we're looking to see how those birds may choose, and our choice has been, or their choice has been, when they build nests and lay eggs. So we've got some bluebird boxes over just beyond the parking lot over there, so in a part of our walk we can go over there and see. They really like pine straw and grasses, so this is a new nest that they're starting, and us doing this isn't going to impact them. Pretty well used. Yeah, so they're done with this, so I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. Producing a lot of byproduct of their digestive system, so it gets pretty messy in there. So if we clean this out, then they're likely to come back and have another clutch.